Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. So, without delay, let's begin. One sunny afternoon, a young child of about 7 or 8 years old walked into a police station. The officers on duty were surprised to see such a little visitor all alone. The child looked upset but determined. A senior officer gently approached and asked, "Hello, dear, what brings you here today?" The child replied firmly, "I want to write a complaint against my mom and dad." The officer was taken aback but calmly asked, "Oh, and what complaint do you have?" The child s- sighed and said, "My mom keeps checking me all the time. She keeps scolding me for small things. I don't feel free. And my dad, he always makes strict schedule for me. Wake up early, go to classes on time, study, sleep. My life feels controlled. I feel trapped all the time. I don't like it anymore." The officer listened patiently, understanding the emotions behind the words. She nodded and said, "All right, if you want to file a complaint, you'll have to write it down." She handed the child a pencil and a piece of paper. The child tried to write, but soon realized the pencil was blunt and not sharp enough to write properly. Frustrated, the child looked up and said, "Ma'am, can I have a sharpener?" The officer smiled and handed over a sharpener. The child carefully sharpened the pencil and began writing. While writing, the child made a few mistakes. The words didn't come out right, so the child asked, "Ma'am, can I use an eraser?" "Of course," she replied, handing over an eraser. The child erased the mistakes and rewrote the words neatly. After some time, the complaint was complete and the child proudly handed it over. The officer read it and then looked at child with a gentle smile. "Can I ask you something?" "Yes," the child replied. "Why did you need the sharpener and eraser?" The child answered innocently, "Without the sharpener, I couldn't write properly, and without the eraser, I couldn't fix my mistakes." The officer nodded and said softly, "That's exactly what your parents are doing in your life." The child looked confused. She continued, "Your father is like that sharpener. He may seem strict, but he's shaping you, sharpening your skills, and preparing you for life. And your mother, she's like the eraser. She corrects your mistakes, guides you, makes sure you don't go in wrong direction." The child listened quietly. The officer gently added, "Today, you needed both the sharpener and the eraser to write this complaint. In the same way, without your parents' discipline and care, it will be very difficult to write a successful story of your life." There was silence for a moment. The child's eyes slowly filled with realization. The anger faded, replaced by understanding. Folding the complaint paper, the child looked up and said softly, "Ma'am, I think I made a mistake." The officer smiled warmly. It's never too late to understand. The child left the police station not with a complaint, but with a changed heart. Reaching home, the child hugged both parents tight and said, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand before. Thank you for caring for me." The parents were surprised but deeply moved. They hugged their child back, their hearts filled with love. And from that day on, the child didn't feel controlled anymore, but cared for. And this is all about our today's story. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. Do subscribe to our channel. What we learned from today's story, what moral values we learn. The first lesson we learn is parents' discipline is not control, it is guidance for a better future. Love sometimes comes in the form of correction and structure. Understanding others' intentions can change our perspective completely. And one more lesson which we learn is gratitude and respect for parents bring peace and growth in life. So this is the lesson we learn. Please do subscribe to our channel. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.